Hi, this is Gemini Dhar. I'm a Take Charge expert and author. I work with women and children across the globe to empower them with a mindset of I can. I welcome you from the city of Ahmedabad. I'm here in Ahmedabad to do a preview for Coach to a Fortune. I've been traveling across India now and hopefully traveling across the globe to spread the mission and vision that I really believe in. And January, February, March was awesome. And in April, I became the president of my chapter in BNI, and that added to a lot of responsibilities, a lot of joy, a lot of celebration. Unfortunately, identically on one day before Gudi Padwa, I lost my best friend, a very, very good friend, Varsha Nalin Shah, and we lost her to a cardiac arrest. And we are a bunch of people who are go-getters, who are so working so hard towards our vision and mission, and we are really well known in our industry, and we all broke down. It just took a fraction of seconds for us to lose her, and everything changed. The perception of life, the joy of life, being there for her family, seeing her leave this world, and just in a fraction of seconds, everything changed. And we all were broken down, and we were holding each other together, speaking about her, talking about her, crying for her. And this is not something that happened first time in my life. I've lost my father, I've gone through some major crises in my life, but losing a friend who was so happening, so young, with dreams, vision, we thought, is life worthless? I mean, why are we living? I mean, it can all go away in a fraction of second. But no, life is not about just giving up everything in a fraction of second. Life is about living to the fullest. I learned till the last day of her life, she empowered, she helped people, and she spread happiness. That was her mission. That is what she was here for on this earth. She found her purpose and she worked for her purpose. That makes my determination even stronger. So when I work with women and children, I come across a lot of people who have, lekin ye ho gaya, but this happened. You know what, this is the problem, that's why I can't do it. Everybody has some roadblock or the other. It depends on whether you make your roadblocks as your stepping stones. How can you do that? You can do that simply by having an amazing set of people around you, learning, educating yourself, and if you are in some real crisis, coaching can really help you. So I coach a lot of women to come out of many things. It may be debt, it may be bad relationship, it may be trauma, it may be past experiences. Everything holds us down. That is not empowering, and when you let that do it, you are stuck in a situation. So if you want to take charge of your life, I believe that yes, when you lose a loved one, life becomes even more difficult, and it becomes not worth. I mean, you don't feel that there is any charm left to life. But life as you know it, after a week, 10 days, year, 1 year, we are forced to get back to the routine. And I believe rather than waiting for 6 months, a year, or a couple of years to come out of the trauma, you can take charge. You can do something really powerful for the person you have lost. Take her legacy or his legacy ahead, and stand up for them as well as yourself. So taking charge is really crucial. It's not about just growth and more money and more luxury and more pleasure. It is also small meaningful things like taking others with you, helping people around you who believe they cannot do it. So if I can create, when I create 1 billion people with a mindset of I can, that's going to be the legacy that I want to leave behind. So I think losing a loved one was really painful, but she's going to be there with me in all my mission and vision, and I'm going to take her mission along with mine ahead to billions of people. So she lives in our heart, and yes, that really makes me say one thing to everybody: don't take life for granted, and nothing in life is permanent. So if you're going through a difficult phase, it's going to pass. If you're going through a good phase and you want it to continue, you will have to continuously keep working on it. Not that you will not have downfalls in life. There will be downfalls. It depends on how quickly you stand up and what you do about it. Thank you. See you again. By end of April, I'm going to bring in something really interesting for you.